Well, new pavement for the service road that goes to 6 kids, hole in the fence, car crash, and the new one that I don't remember the name. Also to the low trailhead. Cool. Fuck it. Exactamente. Fix it somehow. Well, so far, excellent job. Look, wow, the landing is clear and the rock is perfect. Sweet. So this is the landing zone for pros. That is basically from here to there. And if you are a pussy like me, you take the easy line that is gonna be right here in between. You just miss this rock somehow and keep going because it's perfect. And all the trail itself is in fantastic condition. Thanks so much to whoever took the time to make it. Wow, fantastic. This one will be an historic moment when Homero Manzanita first time give it a try to this rock. 3, 2, 1, recording. Nice, nice. I'm proud of you guys. Voy. Una pequeña tarántula. Shit. That one is big. Now I need to go back. Oh, for a long time I don't go up this way because of erosion of the old trail. They are basically shaping a new flowy trail that goes side by side instead of digging that new stuff. That is cool. Keep going. Bien.